did it. You have taken the first step to the AI world. I'm not gonna teach you AI. AI is the ocean, and obviously, we are not here to boil the ocean. Hello and welcome. This is Pankaj Ikhar. I am the host and the instructor for this class. Well, AI is a buzzword. It's growing every day, every hour, every second. There is something or other thing happening in the AI. When you landed with this course, you must be curious. What is AI? And you want to learn it. Well, let me tell you, you landed in the right place. We are going to focus on the AI fundamental course, AI fundamental concepts. Here, with this course, you will learn what is AI, where do we use it, how do we use it. Well, in short, because this is course a fundamental course, and how AI is going to affect your day-to-day life. This particular course focuses on Microsoft AI Services and help you to pass Microsoft AI 900 exam, which is a fundamental exam in the AI space. Well, one more important thing, this is not a hours or days long course. It will be a short course. I'm gonna teach you to the point what is AI, what are its implications, what are the responsibilities comes with AI, how you can make sure that you are adhere to those rules, Microsoft responsible AI, and various Microsoft AI services and their usage. So you landed at a good place. Let's enroll and get it going. To the point, it will be a few hours course. We will learn together and pass the AI 900 exam together. Thank you. See you in the course.